Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Telegram and picking the chat that contains the message or where you'll replace it. Make sure the app is updated and you've allowed mic access, otherwise recordings fail. Decide right away whether you'll re-record directly in Telegram for speed or you'll use a dedicated voice changer to shape tone and export a file. Once decided, locate the original message so you can delete it later. This avoids duplicates, and get ready to record or import the new audio. If you re-record in Telegram, press and hold the mic icon, release to send, or swipe up to lock and speak hands-free. This keeps format as an optimized voice message. If you need a changed voice, record in a voice changer app, apply the effect, and export at a common sample rate so playback is stable. Then open the chat, tap Attach File, and upload the edited audio. Sending as a file preserves quality versus converting to compressed media. Make sure the file name and format are supported. To finalize, long press the original voice message and delete it for everyone if that option is available. This keeps the conversation clean. Next, send your new recording or the edited file, then play it in the chat to verify volume, clarity, and that the voice effect applied correctly. If you run into issues, no sound or upload fails, make sure Telegram has mic and storage access, confirm the audio format is supported, and try exporting with a lower bitrate before resending. That usually fixes transfer or playback errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.